Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's dive in. The topic today is this one: how do I update my NPM version to the latest version? So here we have this starting point. So I have this video tutorial to update your Node version to the latest version. Here is the title: how do I update my Node version in VS Code. So I will add this video link down below so that you will make sure you update your Node version to the latest version so that you can easily update the NPM version. If we come to this place here, node.org, and this is the Node website, node.js releases. So this is the latest version of Node.js, version 22.5.1, the time I'm doing this tutorial. And here, NPM, we have this version 10.8.2. And if we come back here, I have this VS Code open. I use the terminal here in the VS Code. Let's check my Node version here because I went through this tutorial first to update to this newest version, and let's check it. So node-v here. So as you can see, I have the same version as here. But what about this npm? Let's see what happens here. npm-v. So I have this version 9.6.6. But the latest version here is this one, 10.8.2. So if I would like to update to this version, what I have to do is first we can check here in the npm website, like latest npm version here, and we go to this website. As you know, npm is a JavaScript package manager, and here is the latest version here, and you can see this 10.8.2. Now if I would like to update this npm version to this newest version, like here, also what we have to do first, we use our sudo here and then npm install -g. This is -g is just for global, and then we write again npm at, then we add this latest version number 10.8.2 and we press enter. New package is installed, but usually when you use sudo it should ask you your password. So again we can check this version if it is still the same one, npm-v. So as you can see now, I have this latest version of my npm. I no longer have this one. So this is the latest version as here. Same as here, this is the latest version. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.